Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today my group and I will explain and present about petrol station and the suitable method for petrol station. Let's move on to the next presentation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anis Khalida binti Shuhaibi, and today I am going to present about what is petrol station. Petrol station, or also known as filling station, is a facility that sells fuel and engine lubricants for motor vehicles. There are three types of fuel available, which is petrol, diesel, and gas. It is a particularly hazardous workplace which is required to be licensed by local authority, as they are selling a highly flammable liquid. Other than selling fuel, petrol station can also generate other side incomes. The first side incomes is convenience store, which is available in most of the petrol stations. It sells foods, beverages, cigarettes, motor oil, and auto parts. Next is fast food outlet. Some petrol stations are also provided with a fast food outlet such as McDonald's, KFC, Starbucks, Subway, and others. Now the third one is the car wash area. Car washes are sometimes offered free of charge or at a discount price with a certain amount of gas purchased. Conversely, some car washes operate filling stations to supplement their business. And the last one is the service area.
Okay, my name is Nashila Ardila binti Muhammad Cipri. So I will explain the method which are suitable for petrol station. Okay, profit method is the most suitable method that can be used for petrol station because based on the assumption that the value of a petrol station will be related to the profits that can be made from their use. For you guys information, profit method also known as account method. Moreover, profit method can also be used to indirectly estimate the capital value of property. Generally, the profit method used to value the business property that have monopoly elements. Monopoly elements can be divided into two types, which is factual monopoly and legal monopoly. The concept of a profit method is the value of a property is not determined by the characteristic of the property, but through profitability, the business activities carried out on the property. Okay, so the conclusion is the higher of the profit, the higher is the rental, and therefore the higher is the capital value. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nurul Nazia binti Ismail. So I will explain to you regarding the steps of profit method. So by using the profit method, the important thing that you are needed is a gross income, which is the profit that being received by the running business, which can be from the main income or and other income. And it will be deducted by the cost of purchasing, which is the annual purchasing that require as it is become part of the business item. And it will be equals into the gross profit. Gross profit is the amount of profit that being received from the business but still in gross, which will be deducted by operational costs and working expenses. This need to be paid as it is involved of the everyday operation and staff salary. Once it be deducted, it will become into the divisible balance or known as net profit, which have both tenant share and landlord share. And it will be deducted into the interest on capital and also the entrepreneur share. Interest of capital can be explained as the interest that being charged towards the entrepreneur as the amount of money borrowed to running out the business, and also entrepreneur share is the amount of profit for the business operator or tenant as their willingness to bear all the risk during the business. After that, it will come into the gross rent, which will be deducted by the outgoing that activities that being used to maintain the value of the aesthetic parts of the property itself. Right after that, we come into net rent. Net rent is the amount of the entrepreneur will be paid for the owner and will be capitalized with the investment method, which at this will be times up with the YP year purchase, which can be YP in perpetuity for freehold, or YP in dual rate, which is for leasehold. After that, we're going to get the capital value of the profit method. And
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to Dr. Junaina. My name is Alia Maisara binti Jalani, and I'm going to continue explanation about information that are needed for profit method calculation that will be used for our subject property, which is petrol station. The first information will be main income. Main income for petrol station is diesel and petrol. So we need to get at least 3 years period for daily sale, purchase price and selling price for petrol and diesel. The next item or information will be other income. Other income is other resources that give extra income to the subject property. For example, we have sales of accessories, sales of mini market, services, car wash, and the last one we have rental for other business space or kiosk. For example, we have Tila, McDonald's, Family Mart, and others. So the next information we need to get is operational cost. Operational cost will be calculated in a per annum basis. For example, we'll have staff salaries and remuneration, EPF and and water and electricity bills, fax, stationery, management, advertisement, and also the business license. The next one is a property outgoing. We need to know and get the property outgoing for petrol station. For example, we have insurance, quick rent, maintenance, and repair for external and internal, and also rates or assessments. And the last information that we need to get is the tenants or operators share. So we'll be calculate in the form. Will we get the information in the form of percentage, and different petrol station and different location also have a different percentage of share. I think that's all for me. Thank you.
The last one is the factors affecting the valuation of petrol station. There are 10 factors that can affect the valuation of petrol station, and the first one is the location. The next one is the frontage, category of road, which is either primary, secondary, or highway, competition in the vicinity, visibility of station and ease of access, proposed road construction, traffic volume, opening hours, whether it is open for 24 hours or not, facilities and services provided, and the last one is the trading accounts. So that is all from us. Thank you very much, and Assalamualaikum.